Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing with you the three types of berries we have in our small backyard. First, we have blueberry, can tolerate partial shade, required acidic soil, and make sure to mulch around the plants as blueberry has a shallow roots. Blueberry has lots of vitamins and minerals. I use mine for smoothie, mix in salad, or baking blueberry muffin. They are all perennials and very prolific. You will have an abundant harvest year after year. Next, we have strawberry that I planted this year. It spent time producing runners, so next year I will have more strawberries. Make sure to plant it in well-drained soil. I like to use my strawberries for snacking. Then we have raspberry. It produces a lot of fruits all through the summer. Perfect for smoothie, and young leaves I use for tea. It's very nutritious. So I hope I encourage you to plant your blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries in your backyard. Thank you for stopping by, and please check out my other videos. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Bye!